Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bounty Hunter in Dota 2. To begin, focus on understanding his core abilities. Shadow Walk allows you to become invisible, perfect for initiating ganks or escaping danger. Janata delivers a devastating critical hit and slows your target, making it easier to secure kills. Track is your ultimate, revealing enemies and granting significant bonus gold to your entire team when a tracked hero dies. For the early game, begin with a stout shield, tango, and quelling blade to help with last hitting and survivability. Your first major item should be phase boots, providing crucial movement speed and attack damage for chasing down foes. Focus on roaming between lanes, especially mid, to find isolated targets. Use Shadow Walk to get into position, then strike with Janata for maximum impact, aiming to secure first blood or early kills. In the mid-game, your primary objective is to keep track on as many enemy heroes as possible. This provides invaluable vision and a steady stream of gold for your entire team. An Urn of Shadows or Spirit Vessel is excellent for sustain and applying damage over time. Next, consider a Desolator to drastically reduce enemy armor, making them easier to burst down. Roam aggressively, securing runes and invading the enemy jungle to further disrupt their economy. During the late game, your role shifts slightly towards teamfight support and objective control. Always ensure high-value enemy targets are tracked before engagements, maximizing your team's gold gain. Position yourself smartly, using Shadow Walk to initiate or disengage, and avoid being the primary target. Items like Black King Bar provide crucial spell immunity, while a Daedalus significantly boosts your damage output. Work with your team to secure Roshan and push towers for victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.